Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. And what is this? What is in the case? Well, that's really cool because what we're going to be taking a look at today is something that you're going to need to align so many different things that you will save time on. Now, I'm in a very dark room for a very good reason. To open this up and to show you what's in the case, this is a 360 kind of 4D laser. And well, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump into it. So this is what I'm talking about. It's going to be hard to see, but check this out. You can see the walls. You can see everything. You can see that it's on the walls, on the ceiling, even on the windows, all the way around the room. You can turn it to either be vertical this direction on this wall, or you can have it on a different wall. In order to really show what that is, you can see on the ceiling we have a crosshair, on the walls we have a crosshair. In fact, we have a crosshair on every single wall. Now this is really interesting because this particular laser, it's meant as a professional tool. You're going to be able to lay out job sites, flooring, walling, pictures, anything you really want to, and you can do the entire room at the same time. It has all the controls here. You can either go low or you can go high. It's self-leveling. You can lock it out. You can do everything you want. You have all the controls here. It does come with a remote as well, so in case you need to stand back and just make some adjustments. Now, that's not all. It's great to have on a tripod, but what if you need to use it in a really awkward situation? If we take a look at the entire setup of the box, you can see it has some pretty cool stuff. This is meant to save your eyes in case there's a laser shooting into it. This is your battery. This is so you can position the laser upside down, and this can connect right there. You can compress it on, and then you can utilize this in an awkward situation that you may not face on a daily basis, right? So then what is this? This is really cool because if you spin this here, you see that? You actually can pop it out, and this can hook onto 2x4s, and it's a really strong compression fit, or not compression, but it's just a really strong fitting. You can utilize it here so you can hang stuff. But all in all, it is really nice quality. And then you can see here you do have an offset, so you can make that really nice level area that you need. And then whenever I look at this one right here is the one that I like the most. Here, let me show you why. We're just gonna move that out of the way and look at this, a really strong connection. And all we need to do is we're just gonna set this down on here, just like this. And we're just gonna spin it, just like so. So once you have it on, you see this, all we have to do is we turn it this way to unlock it. We can move it up, we can move it down, and it has an adjustment on this other side to where I can just move it as much as I want, very slowly. And we're going to drop it down, so we're just going to lock that in place. As you can see here, very small incremental movements. You can see here, now we're moving it side to side, and that's really important actually. So whenever you can see the movement, it's the tilting. That's really cool. And then this moves this way. And this, it's going to move it out, or it's going to move it in. Okay, so now we're there. But it has all these different adjustments on here. And that will get you everywhere you need to be. But if you look at the bottom of it, it actually has the thicker tripod mount than the thinner typical tripod mount as well, but it is magnetic, and this is really cool. So at the end of the day, you get this amazing laser, and it does all 6 walls of a room. Well, 6 sides. Remember, you have top, bottom, and 4 walls. And this is going to be able to align everything perfectly. And I think that is the magic of this type of laser. Now, it's bright enough to use it in the daylight, and it's dim enough to use it at night without blinding people. It has all the adjustments that you need. That's the cool thing about it. So whether you're in construction and you're laying out a floor plan, or you're putting in some duct work, or doing some electrical conduits, that's a big one there too, or just plain hanging pictures. This may be aggressive for hanging pictures, but how many pictures are you actually hanging? That's a big one. Hanging curtains, anything else, if you need a straight line on multiple sides, this is it. It's a great price. Hit the link below. Do your own research. Other than that, man, I'm really impressed with the quality. Great rubber overmolding. Really nice cast aluminium over top of the lasers and the reflectors. And it just feels quality. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please jump down below and subscribe. Share the video. Everybody needs a really nice laser. And until next time, take care. See ya.